Hello friends, this is me Shomita. Welcome to my channel Glowing Angel. Friends, you already guessed today's topic by the thumbnail itself. Yes, today I am creating this current Genda Phool inspired makeup look for you guys. It's a pure Bengali traditional makeup look also. And let me clear one thing, I am not a pro, it's just an inspired makeup look, not an exact copy one guys. I just created this look in a simple way with affordable products and with my own retouch. So before starting, I want to say if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified. So let's get started. At first I am using this Hilary Rhoda brow definer to define my brows. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer to define my brows more properly. Now I am using the same Swiss Beauty concealer into my under eyes, the bridge of my nose and sides of my mouth. For baking, I am using this Wet n Wild powder. Now it's time for eye makeup, which I am creating with only 3 eyeshadow. At first I am using this color from the Hilary Rhoda palette and blend it with a brush into my eyelid. Now I am taking the light brown shade from the same palette and blend it into my crease line. Third, I am taking this shimmery shade and blend it into the middle of my eye. slightly contouring my face with the Wet n Wild contour powder. To complete the eye look, it's time to add some falsies now. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Peachy Pink color blush. As the lip shade is nude in the video, so I am using this matte look nude lipstick. You can easily wear red lipstick to make the look more vibrant. I guess that will look good also. Now it's time to glow, and I am using this pink glowy highlighter from the Makeup Revolution palette and applying it to the high points of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. To fix everything in this sweaty summer season, I am using this Kiss Beauty makeup fixer to fix my makeup. So friends, this is done now. Tell me, how does it look? And one more thing, to create the headless wavy curly hairstyle, I made a tight braid last night before sleep and left it overnight, and you can see the result. So if you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel, and please be safe and stay at home during the lockdown. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.